one of the guys, the security man, referred me to one person. He gave me the person's contact. I spoke with the person, and the person was like, it's going to cost me 10K. I'm like, 10K? How? Hello, Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate, and welcome to today's session. So today's session, we're going to be talking about how you can create your TIN, that's your Taxpayers Identification Number, and this is for freelancers that are on Upwork to enable you receive payments from the Upwork platform. Now, this can relatively be done by anybody, be it business owners or individuals. So my tax details were not updated on the Upwork platform, and guess what? I had to go and do it. When that happened, I decided, okay, maybe I should go to the TIN office. I went there and they were not there. They said they've closed for the year, but someone told me that I think one of the guys, the security man, referred me to one person. He gave me the person's contact. I spoke with the person, and the person was like, it's going to cost me 10K. I'm like, 10K? How? You get? So, but then I just decided, okay, let me go and do this online. Then if it doesn't work out, I know that, okay, I'm going to pay this guy 10,000 naira to get this thing done for me. So what happened was I went online and I did it, and I think it took about 3 to 5 days. I can't remember, because I think the instruction on the site was they were going to send me emails, but of course, you know how Nigerian things happens. I didn't get any email from anybody. So I had to go back. The next time I checked back on the platform, my TIN was ready. And guess what? That's not just it. Another sweet thing that happened is that I eventually got a certificate together with that. I was really happy. I was like, wow, so these things can really be fast like this. If everything was happening like this, nobody would be complaining. So what's the essence of all this story? Well, I am here to help you and ensure that you don't eventually spend that particular money, because I know there are a lot of business owners that are being charged hefty fees for them to be able to do this thing. If you're a business owner, all it's going to cost you is your CSC, registration number, some details, and your BVN, and then your phone number and some registration details for your company, and you'll be able to get this at no extra charge. So it's basically free of charge for everybody, individuals and business owners. So join me, let's hop into my laptop so I'll show you the procedure.
Okay, so now I'm in my browser, and the very first thing you want to do is, after launching your browser, visit tin.jtb.gov.ng. So, and it's going to bring you to this screen. Now, mind you, the process is the same whether you are on your smartphone or you are on your laptop device. So, whichever device you are using, the process is still the same thing. Now, when you get to this place, for those of you that want to register for your business that's non-individual, you're going to go to this place and click register for non-individuals. Then for those of you that are registering for yourself, so by the way, if you are a freelancer or you just want to get a personal tax identification number, then you are going to come to this place showing register for individual. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click here. For business owners, click this place, and it's going to bring us to this page. Now, what you want to do on this page is you want to fill out these details: your BVN, your date of birth, your first name, and your last name, of course, and then you click on search. It's going to show you that you are not registered yet, and then you proceed to do your registration. I've already registered, but let's see what it's going to show here. So I'm going to also show you how you can verify your details after registering. Alright, so I'm going to start entering my details. Okay, so because I've already registered, it's showing me that my BVN already, sorry, it's showing me that my TIN already exists for this particular BVN and that I should visit this link. So there's a link here to verify. So I'll click on the link for us to verify. I will also show you how to come over here. So once you are done with your registration, now the information there is that they are going to send you your TIN to your email address. Well, sorry, they are not going to send it to your email address. So what you have to do is, after 3 to 5 working days, most of the times I always tell people to wait for at least maybe 7 days or thereabout. Then you can come back to this site, tin.jtb.gov.ng. Then when you get to this site, the very next thing you want to do is to click on TIN verification portal. And once you click on the verification portal, it's going to take you to this place. Then all you have to do is to fill in your details. Okay, so now once you've searched out, so your details are going to come out of this place. And once your details show up, the very next thing that you want to do is to type in your email address here. And then you are going to click on send email address. So make sure that it is the email address you used in typing out the very first time. So I've sent this to my mailbox before, so I don't want to send it again, but that's what you're going to do. Or you can also click on print or download. Then it's going to take you to a new place whereby you get to see the certificate itself. Make sure that you do this. This is very important, as you would definitely need this certificate for other verifications. Now, for those of us that are running businesses, this certificate is very, very important for all of you, okay? So make sure to go through that and then you get the certificate and you are done. So the certificate is going to carry details like your TIN, your date of issue, tax authority that issued it, and all of that stuff.
And with that, we have come to the end of today's session. My name is Mykail, Arisa, your friendly value mate. And if you are able to find value in this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and also ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on subsequent videos that are going to be posted on this channel. Also, feel free to share with your friends, those that will need this information. And if you are interested in getting started with your freelance journey, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Make sure to check it out. And remember, don't just get online, get noticed.